Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Twitch videos into highlights so that you can post them on YouTube, either shorts or montage videos, and how to directly send them your clips to Twitch, YouTube Shorts, and your TikTok. First, we're gonna go to your Twitch. Then you go to the Creator Dashboard tab. Now go to your video producer and go to the video that you want to edit. Click on it. Now open a new browser tab and go to chatgpt.com. I will leave the link in the description. This is where you're going to come up with a quick title for your video. Copy it and paste it on your Twitch title under basic info. Next, you publish it if it's not already. Once published, you go back to the video and click on it and click highlights. This is your timeline. Pick a spot in the video where something exciting happens. Get straight to the point so that you can engage with your audience. Now this tab here is where your video will start, and this is where it will end. Now you're gonna look for your next exciting moment in the game. You click on it on the timeline. You press right here the plus sign. Now that will create your next scene. Now wherever you want to end it, you will press the end segment and so on. So now you're ready to go to the next scene. Click the plus sign for add new segment, and that will create a next scene. Now I'm just gonna let it play so you can kind of get the idea of how it goes. Now that you completed all the clips, as you can see, it has the minutes and the timestamps in the video. Came out to a total of 7 minutes. Publish. You could add a description or tags or whatnot. I just leave it as is. Hit save changes. It will take a while to upload. So what you do is go to videos, highlights. If you need to refresh it, and there it goes. Now you got a full video of highlights. Now you could download the whole video with the highlights, and so you could export it into whatever software you use to edit. So you could finally finalize it and put it on YouTube, or you could just upload it as is. But what's good about this is that you could actually clip it and send it to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So this is how you do it. Let's say this is a scene in a highlight video that you like. You go to clip, it will take you to this screen right here. Now you put how long or where to start and where to finish. Add a specific title for that, just for that clip specifically. You go back to ChatGPT and just type in something that describes the video, and it will give you a title for it. I only want to use this part of the title, so I right click on it copy back to the Twitch clip, paste it on save clip. It will publish your clip to your Twitch. Now the good thing about this is that you can also edit your portrait video. So if you have a cam, you can adjust it, or you could just put full if you're not using a camera, and it'll do a full portrait. After you're done adjusting your video to where you want it, hit apply, save clip, yes. Now we're going to share it directly to TikTok and YouTube. We're going to start with YouTube. Adjust the title if needed, and try to make it as short as possible, and add keywords to description. Now we're going to do the same with TikTok. Now right here where it says download, you have the option to download your clip, landscape and portrait. Landscape, you can use it to do a montage video so you can upload to your YouTube channel. And the portrait is to do shorts for your TikTok and YouTube shorts, TikTok reels, etc. Now that you got your clips, you can upload them to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, reels, Facebook group posts, all of that. Combine them together, and you can edit them in whatever software you use. I use CapCut. There's so many softwares that you can use. I do use the CapCut Pro version. You can choose whatever you would like or you prefer. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. I gotcha. Peace.